optimal level of arousal. That's when you're your best self. When your kids are their best selves, they're at optimal level of arousal. But when they start to go over, their physiological symptoms, they're real. I love the way you talked about a scale of 1 to 10. I teach about anxiety that way all the time. First you're just awesome. Then you get a little stress, and a little stress can be really great because it makes you study harder. It makes you have a little heightened awareness for, presenting or for meeting new people. It brings you out of your shell. But then there's this, like you say, there's this like a little fine line where you get over it and then it's uncomfortable. So, it's also great to set up situations to encourage her to go to that uncomfortable place, not at school, when you're there to support her. Here's my hack for my own kid. I convinced him to busk. Busk means, if you're in a culture that doesn't use that word, I didn't actually know that word growing up, but it means performing on a street corner with your hat out for donations. And my kid played violin. And so he needed to, around this age, he started to want some things. So I taught him to fundraise by busking, and it was really hard for him, an introverted, sensitive kid. But as long as he was playing the violin, he was sort of a different person, but it brought his anxiety up. It was the perfect opportunity to practice what it's like to give yourself just a little bit of time where you're uncomfortable.